Sir Alen from the Academy. So Google actually launch their AI already is similar like ChatGPT. So if you want to use it, you have to visit this website is bard.google.com. So it's currently is an experiment. So you can just type this link and then go to the bottom there. There's a blue button. You just press, and it will be talking about this message. It is mentioned about the system isn't support for this account, so you have to enable access to BART. Right, so we just click the link. So we have to go to check the steps right here. So because I want to remember the steps, what I would do is I would snap this one. So I will go into the admin console. I think should be this one. And go to menu apps, additional Google service. Okay, I think I can direct click this one. Should be able for me to log in. So I have to type my password. Do you remember your password? So, okay, I'm logged into the additional service ready. So click early access app. I need to look for click early access app. Which one? Okay. I zoom out. Okay, the account. I zoom out to find the button. Where is the button? Oh my god. Go to the Google service. Early access. Where is early access? Okay, this got it. Ah, okay, this one. So I have to click this one. And I have to turn on for everyone. The service status. Turn on for everyone. So save. It's turned on already. Okay. So let us see the steps again. I think okay, all should be okay already. So I just refresh the website, try, good. So more, and I agree to start use the applications, and we will just continue. Okay, so that is the AI chatbot, right, provided by Google. So after follow the steps, you can start use it ready. Just prompt the message right here. It can start giving you some answers. Now I prompt it. Remote host system in Malaysia. All right, so that's the keywords. Okay, so maybe we can ask more questions. Who is the Prime Minister of Malaysia right now? All right, it's good. Okay, so enjoy your Google AI system. Goodbye.